Assalamu alaikum. In today's video, we will briefly check what intent is. For example, if I search on Google for T20 World Cup schedule, what is my search intent here? Intent simply means the purpose behind the search. So my intent here is to see the schedule, to know which match will be played on which date. Now let's suppose instead of the World Cup schedule, Google shows me the FIFA schedule on the search result page. In this case, my intent is not fulfilled because I was looking for the World Cup schedule, but the SERP search engine result page showed me something else. This situation is called intent mismatch. Traditionally, people say there are only four types of search intent like informational, navigational, transactional, and commercial. But what I have done is redefined search intent because I believe intent is much broader than what SEMrush, Moz, or even ChatGPT usually tells you. Why did I redefine it? Because I want you to understand intent in a easier and more practical way, and also to realize what the future of search looks like. So let's discuss these redefined intents. The first one is knowledge based intent. For example, let's say the keyword is ninth class result or Oxford admissions. If a student searches ninth class result, their intent is very clear. They want to check the result. If the website shows them the result, their intent is satisfied. But if the website only shows an article about the exam and not the actual result, the user wouldn't stay. They will leave because their intent is not fulfilled. Remember, user simply means the searcher or the website visitor. The second one is what I call first mover advantage FME intent. This is extremely important. Many people think the competition is too high. My perspective is why not become a first mover? If you enter a market early before it gets saturated, you can win big. Let me give you a practical example. The keyword ChatGPT login. Then ChatGPT was newly launched. One blogger targeted this keyword and made over $50,000 from it. Why? Because he got the first mover advantage. At that time, ChatGPT felt like a revolutionary change. People were saying SEO and blogging were finished, but this person used FMA and turned it into a huge earning opportunity. Now I want to think of an example of FMA from a technology perspective and share it in the comments. The next one is downloadable intent. This includes searches where the user wants to download something like softwares, apps, books, tracks, games, themes, etc. Then comes e-commerce based intent. This is where the intent is to buy something like purchasing a Sony TV. And let me clear one confusion. You might be thinking, do I always have to create a blog for this? The answer is no. If you find an e-commerce intent niche that fits the right criteria, you can build an entire business around it. For example, something as simple as Sony TV manuals. Yes, even these are sold online, so when you explore, you will realize many niches exist that people don't think about, and they can also be profitable. Another type is affiliate based intent. Here, users are usually comparing two or more products. For example, is Sony TV better or Samsung TV? Is LG better or TCL? In affiliate marketing, you sell someone else's product and earn a commission. For example, if I have a perfume and I tell you to sell it for me, I will pay you a commission. That's affiliate marketing. And a niche targeting such comparisons is what we call affiliate based intent. Next is service based intent. For example, SEO services in Lahore, local SEO in London, page optimization in New Jersey, digital marketing in Melbourne. Any site where you are offering services is based on this intent. We also have local business intent, GMB. This is when people search for businesses near them. For example, Pizza Hut near me, dentist near me, plumber near me, halal food near me, etc. This is connected to Google My Business, which helps local user find your location. Then there is tool-based intent. For example, inch to fit converter, Twitch downloader, PDF to doc converter. These are tool related niches. They are very profitable, but the challenge is that you usually need a developer or programmer to build such tools. And finally, we have event-based intent. This is related to specific events such as PSL 2025, T20 World Cup 2024, New Year 2025, or iPhone launch. So the main question is, how do we know whether a keyword intent is knowledge base, FMA, downloadables, e-commerce, service based or something else? That's what we will learn tomorrow.